Good afternoon. I want to welcome you to one of my favorite places to be. On Tuesdays, I come here to Santa Maria de la Vida Abbey every Tuesday to cook for our dear Normandy family, which are our dear priest. And I find this place to be my soothing place where I can just be myself in the quietness and, my time with God and preparing the meals that I do for them. It just brings me lots of peace and joy. And I strongly believe when you give back to the community, you do it with your heart and with love. And it brings me back all my memories of my passion for cooking is to give back. And everything I do is love inspired. Cabbage and corned beef dinner. I decided to try adding Napa cabbage along with the regular cabbage. Let that steam. I'm going to deep fry up. And I'm going to put them on top of my arugula salad.
What a girlfriend that's just like, oh my gosh, you look great.
Okay. Look at that. My orange vinaigrette. You can smell the orange in it. I won't soak it. And they could toss it, and if they want to add more, I'll leave it. It still has the crunch.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's cooked thoroughly.
Yeah.